In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for topics and keywords in the Threads app on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find conversations that match what you're interested in, quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. When it loads, you'll likely land on your home feed with posts from accounts you follow and suggested content. That's your starting point. To move into search, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the magnifying glass icon. This icon is your gateway to discovery. It takes you to the area where you can explore what people are talking about across threads. Once you're on the search page, tap the search bar at the very top. When you tap it, your keyboard will appear and the text cursor will blink, letting you know you're ready to type. This bar is where you'll enter the word, phrase, or hashtag connected to the topic you want to explore. Now type the keyword you want to search for. Keep your wording clear and focused. If you have a specific subject in mind, use distinctive terms that someone might naturally include in their post. Short, direct keywords are great for broad discovery, while adding a bit more detail can help narrow down the results. Spelling matters, so take a second to make sure everything looks right before moving on. When you're ready, tap the search button on your keyboard. Depending on your keyboard settings, it might say search, go, or return, but the search option is the one to use here. Give it a moment if your connection is slow. Threads will gather matching content and display it on the screen. You'll now see results related to your keyword. Browse through these results to find threads that contain the terms you typed. As you scan, look at the preview text and any context around it to judge whether a post is relevant. You might notice different perspectives, recent takes, or ongoing conversations centered around your topic. If the results feel too broad, more specific wording generally produces a more targeted list. If they feel too narrow, simpler wording usually opens things up. Either way, you can learn a lot just by skimming the snippets and seeing which posts align with what you had in mind. And that's all there is to it. You've opened Threads, accessed the search area, entered a keyword, confirmed the search, and browsed the results to find what you need. With this flow, you can quickly surface conversations that matter to you anytime you want.